Facebook Marketplace Ads tutorial step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Facebook Marketplace ads. So I'm in my Facebook homepage and I'm just going to click on Marketplace right here at the left part of the screen. And here, as you can see, this is how the marketplace looks like. So if you didn't know, Facebook Marketplace is a platform that allows users to find, purchase, and sell things. So you can also filter the results by location, category, and price. So this can help people locate what they are looking for. So as a seller, you can reach buyers where they're already by listing on the Facebook Marketplace. So on the marketplace, you may purchase and sell both products and services. So this can be anything you find for sale on, so it is kind of similar to Craigslist, eBay, and other similar sites. So users of this platform are actually increasing, so it's a terrific way to get your business in front of a big audience and even generate some organic leads. But you'll need to run Facebook Marketplace ads if you want to reach a specific audience. So as you can see here, this is the marketplace, and if you are going to set up your ad, you'll normally appear at the top of the marketplace section with a sponsored listing. So let's try to find sponsored listings right here. And I think I can't find any right now. So maybe they're just loading as of the moment. So you're basically advertising directly to people which Facebook believes might be interested in seeing or buying your items or services. So let's head on to the Ads Manager of Facebook. So you can go here by going to facebook.com/ads manager. So as you can see right here, we can use these advertisements to build up targeting to reach people who are more inclined to buy from you. So you can target people based on their age, gender, location, hobbies, and more. And I'm going to do a step-by-step guide for you to do just that. The boosted marketplace advertisements are more straightforward with limited targeting and a budget and timeline to choose from. So for you to know what I am talking about is just head on to the actual setting up of the advertisement. So first you're going to look at here at the green button that says create and just click on that and wait for it to load. So here you have many options. Just focus on the consideration and I'm going to set it on traffic. So this sends people to a website, app, or Facebook event or let them tap to call you. You're going to select any of your preference that might help your business to grow more. So it's more of like which is more appropriate for your brand or product. So that's the only thing I'm going to select for now, and I'm just going to click on continue. Now the new traffic campaign instantly loads after you click continue. So right here is what you should fill in. This is a new traffic ad, and I'm going to guide you all throughout how to set up an ad and post it on the Facebook Marketplace. So first, let's set up the campaign name. Just going to name it Social Marketplace. As for the category, I'm just going to skip that because I don't see any option that is appropriate. So for this campaign details, you can also set up to have a split test, but I'm setting it up for now. And there's also campaign budget optimization. She'll distribute your budget across ad sets to get more results, which I won't also do. So that's it for the first page, and I'm just going to click on next for the next options to choose from. So right here, you can choose where you want to drive traffic. We'll enter more details about the destination later. So I'm just going to click on website since that's what I'm going to generate more leads. For the ad set name, I'm going to set it up for the same name as the ad campaign. Now we're going to head on to the budget and schedule. So you have two options for the budget, daily budget and lifetime budget. So whichever is your preference again, I'm just going to select daily budget and I'm going to set it at 1,000 pesos. And then for the schedule, you can set the start date and the end date. This is actually optional, but you may also want to set that so that it will be more easily monitored. So let's say you want to run the ad from April 28th up to May 5th. You can also set a preferred time, so I'm just going to keep it at that. As for the audience, you can create new audience or use saved audience. So if you have already created a new audience before, you can find them here, but for this video, I'm going to create a new audience. So you can click on edit right here, and instead of Philippines, let's say we want to target people from, let's say, California. Just click on that, and that will set the location to California and will show the ads from people living in California. So you can set the age range you want to show your ads to. So I'm just going to set maybe from 18 years old to people aged 50 years old. All genders is a fine option. And then you can save this audience so you can easily click on it when you will create a new ad again. Instead of automatic placements, you may want to set it at manual placement so you can manually choose the places to show your ad. So you have more control with your ad. As for the platforms, you also want to check only Facebook. So let's deselect Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. After that, let's also deselect some options from placements. So let's deselect these other options right here. Click on it so that the check will disappear. Deselect the in-stream, the Reels overlay, the stories and Reels, the Facebook groups feed, Facebook right column, the Facebook video feeds. And now you should only select Facebook feed and Facebook Marketplace. So you can't run them separately. You can run Facebook feed and Facebook Marketplace separately. So they have to both be selected in setting up this kind of advertisement. So we are done with this page. Let's just click on next. Let's change up the ad name again, and here ad setup, so you can create ad, use existing post, or use Creative Hub mockups. I'm just going to click on create ad, and for the format, I'm also going to use single image or video, so whichever is your preference or which is more appropriate to your product or service. As for the ad creative, this is about the videos and images that will show up in your ad. So I'm just going to upload an image of a computer set right here and wait for it to load so that we can use it in setting up our ad. Just click on next after you have set up your image. You can also change or reposition your picture so that it'll look better for your ad. Just click on next, allow enhancement so that it'll look better, and just click on done. Okay, for the primary text, is select the caption part of your advertisement. Let's just type in computer set for sale. You can also add in headlines, description, and so to add more information about your product. For the destination, I'm going to set a website because what is more appropriate for my product. You can also add in a website right here if you chose the destination of website. Also, you can change the call to action. So this is what happens when the person clicks on your ad. So I'm just going to set it as learn more so that when they click the ad, they can learn more about my product, which is the computer set. You can also track website events, app events, and other options. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And after you are done with everything, just click on publish right here at the bottom right. And you may want to add your payment information so that you will have your advertisements on your marketplace. And that is it for our tutorial on how to set up your Facebook Marketplace ads. Let me know if you have any questions about setting up your ads in Facebook Marketplace. And that is all for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you all for watching.